I hate blow drying my hair until this happened. Vega blow dry brush. It dries smooth and style in one go. It comes with 3 heat and 2 speed setting. It's perfect for any type of hair. Plus its tangle-free bristles make styling super easy and pain-free. Smooth, shiny and voluminous hair in minutes. Yes, please get yours now from Amazon.